Introduction to Product Recall Liability Insurance. Imagine this. Your company has just released a new product and everything seems great until a safety issue arises, forcing you to recall it. This can be financially crippling. That's where Product Recall Liability Insurance comes in. It's designed to protect businesses from the massive cost of recalling defective products, ensuring they can recover quickly without facing financial ruin. Example, think of the large-scale recalls by automobile companies or food manufacturers due to safety or contamination issues. Without recall insurance, such events could lead to significant financial losses and damage to brand reputation. What does Product Recall Liability Insurance cover? Let's break down the key coverage areas of Product Recall Liability Insurance. First, cost of notification, informing customers and distributors about the recall. Second, product disposal costs, safe removal and disposal of defective products. Third, warehouse and storage fees, costs associated with retrieving and storing defective goods. Fourth, replacement costs, expenses incurred in producing and distributing replacement products. Fifth, legal expenses, covers legal fees if the recall leads to lawsuits. Sixth, loss of profits, compensates for lost revenue during the recall process. Example, imagine you are a toy manufacturer and a defect in a popular toy line is discovered, leading to a massive recall. The policy will cover everything from notifying buyers to legal expenses and even the replacement of faulty items. Who needs product recall liability insurance? This insurance is critical for any company involved in manufacturing, distributing, or selling products. Key industries that benefit include: first, food and beverage. Contamination or labeling issues could lead to serious public health risks. Second, automobile and machinery. A defect in machinery or vehicles can be life-threatening. Third, pharmaceuticals and medical devices. Faulty products could lead to life-altering injuries or deaths. Fourth, consumer goods. From electronics to toys, and defect can cause harm and lead to large recalls. Example, in the food industry, a contamination scare could lead to massive recalls, impacting everything from consumer trust to sales, making this coverage crucial. Exclusions of Product Recall Liability Insurance. While the policy offers broad coverage, it's essential to know what's not covered. First, voluntary recalls. If a company recalls a product without any legal mandate or safety concern. Second, intentional non-compliance. Recalls arising from intentional negligence or non-compliance with safety standards. Third, product design flaws. Basic design issues that were known and not addressed at the time of production. Add-ons for product recall insurance. Product recall insurance can also be tailored with additional covers to meet specific business needs. First, third-party recall costs. Covers costs if a recall affects your customers or suppliers. Second, reputation damage. Protects against the cost of rebuilding your brand's reputation after a recall. Third, extortion coverage. Addresses situations where criminals threaten to tamper with products unless a ransom is paid. Example, a food company might invest in reputation damage coverage to handle the PR and customer loyalty issues after a contamination scare. Claim process for Product Recall Liability Insurance. If a recall occurs, here's how the claim process works. First, notify the insurer. Immediately report the recall and any associated damages. Second, submit necessary documentation. Include details of the recall, affected products, and estimated cost. Third, investigation. The insurer will assess the claim to ensure it falls under the policy coverage. Fourth, claim settlement. Once approved, the insurer will reimburse for the covered expenses such as recall cost, legal fees, and lost profits. Best practices for product safety. To minimize the risk of a recall, businesses should adopt best practices. First, quality control. Conduct regular quality checks to detect potential defects early. Second, compliance with regulations. Ensure all products meet industry safety standards. Third, effective recall plans. Have a recall management plan in place to respond swiftly if an issue arises. Conclusion. The importance of product recall liability insurance. In today's business world, product recalls are more common than we might think, whether it's due to manufacturing defect or contamination. The financial and reputational risks are immense. Product recall liability insurance offers a lifeline to businesses, helping them manage recall costs and recover swiftly from a potential damaging situation.